So we've got the 12 area RGBWs, front lighting, our ellipsoidals. We've got them all done. We've got, except for number 4 from the right is the one that is defective, and a new one is coming in on Friday. If it arrives, I will be by on Friday as well to switch that out and to do any additional training. And then our colorized quadras for backlighting are in place. I have one of your Chauvet light bars in play. We're just coming out. We've zip tied. We've just got our DMX coming out of the pocket box for the rest of the cables for number 1. I do not have enough 3-pin DMX patch cables to patch these together. However, I have addressed each one, and I have accounted for them in the software. So they are ready to go. They just need to be patched together with DMX. Let's go over to the booth, and we'll walk through the software.